Many months no, yes, I said you were Bodam. I've taken the people for granted for a long time. Why is he not being statesman enough? Tell Ghanaians, I am the one who employed this fool. He needs to come to Ghana. Why is Akufo-Addo not doing that? If you fue Ghana forma, we've seen who Ghana for see a Jimmy. See Cambodia na kamu kopi and kabule to gumutrim. Ghana na funtra. Ghana na mu fu. Na kwasia pegi bia to mikasa by heart. We need Ofori-Atta more. And we are not done with you twerps. Disease-ridden drug peddlers. Ethic filthy ni compounds. Human have poop humans. What it one amuka kan kwasia sem. MPP for more. No Ofori-Atta betena Ghana ha. So na kuta Bible. Osha white. Oyare kura na nima mwa se bis awi na nim no. Still own jai money box na to. I we nimu fi kono no kwasia jot na betena say. Ote recuperating. Na okeka kire MPP kwasia fo. Amode ada fidie no be so mo hwa no. Ada fidie no be so mo hwa no. Ona ba hu se san kwasia wi na monom na nya papa na monom. All these things. Share the eba no. Now, answer your bekono. We a simple one. Endorse. Can Ofori-Atta lawyer ekasaye or say, can Ofori-Atta has palm kernel oil, ajongo in his veins, so he is now more important than Sednam Ationu, who has been convicted. Frank Davis. Me catch them say, Mumia could take Ofori-Atta lawyer. Maybe I'm a catch me.
Let it be told to the ambassador that at no particular point in time have we said that Ken Ofori-Atta was picked up by ICE from a medical facility or on a hospital bed. All this business of his medically fit, neither here nor there. It's really unnecessary at this point to be bandying these words about. He has gone for surgery, which we all know. All we are saying is that he is recuperating and that he's in consultation with his medical team. And they will have to give him the all clear to come. I'm wondering why it is becoming increasingly difficult for us to understand the simple fact of life. Whoever said that Ken Ofori-Atta was on ICU help before he was picked up by ICE? He was picked up in his home or wherever they picked him up. I mean, so what is new?
But
that he's medically fit. Well, don't you know that he's medically fit?
Well, so the assertion previously held is that he cannot come until you just said his doctors gave him the all clear. ICE is also saying that he's medically fit for detention. In this situation, he can equally come back home, can't he? Can he not?
Well, that is your logic. It is not mine. Your logic is totally different from mine. If ICE are saying that he's medically fit for detention, that is different from traveling to Ghana to come and answer to charges here. It's different. And as I'll reiterate, no one has said that Ken is not fit. All we are saying is that he is going through a recuperative process. And his doctors are advising him. It's as simple as that.
Right. Well, what does the FBI's involvement now mean? And how does it change the scope of the legal proceedings?
I am not about to speak to FBI. All I know is ICE. And those who think that the FBI can have any influence on what ICE is doing do not exactly know what they are saying. All right? The ICE proceedings is totally different from whatever FBI is investigating. I don't know what FBI is investigating. I have no information of that. My client has not told me anything about that, and I'm not able to speak to it. But I ask myself, what Ambassador Smith, with the greatest of respect, came to do yesterday night on radio. Is it not a failed mockery of international diplomacy? So all along, they have been monitoring ICE and FBI, leading to Ken's arrest. And this same person, Ambassador Smith, wanted to extend consular assistance and services to Ken, and then he comes boldly on radio to say that they have been collaborating and feeding information to ICE and FBI to arrest Ken and put him in custody. Oh, okay. Okay. If that is what is going on, Ghanaians are the better judges. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Sedinam Tamaklo Ationu has been convicted by a court of competent jurisdiction, a criminal court of competent jurisdiction, of corruption and corruptible tendencies. She has been convicted and is now a jailbird. She's a criminal fugitive in the United States. I think our government, on the threshold of what they promised Ghanaians, should be able to bring Ationu back to Ghana, and then they can deal with Ofori-Atta. Now, Ferdinand Ationu, she has blood running through her veins. Ofori-Atta has palm kernel oil, adringo, in his veins. So he is now more important than Ferdinand Ationu, who has been convicted. This is the justice we are preaching in Ghana.
See, this, I keep telling you, these people, when you hire a drug addict as your lawyer, these are some of the things you hear. In his own statements, before even I react to his abnormal statements, before contradicting himself, I can tell you in authority, he knows that the FBI, he has known for a long time, they were investigating Ofori-Atta. He knows. Into the customer, he made a mistake. He bleeped there and was like, I don't even know whether they are investigating him. And secondly, he knew that Ofori-Atta was staying in his own property here in America. Into Kanwi and also, whether he was picked up in his home or wherever they picked him up. He knows all these things. He is not intelligent as we think he is. A smoke no mama. We are junkie. Mama can be intro. If Ofori-Atta and his team are going to use your friend saying Sedinam issue as a yardstick to keep Ofori-Atta outside Ghana, not to face trial, then it is a perfect time for us to sit back and watch. Ofori-Atta was finance minister for 80 years. Sedinam was basically convicted under your watch as a government. You did not take the initiative to go to America, to go to the FBI, to insist that within a month or two, Sedinam should be brought to Ghana. You did not care. Suddenly, a criminal and a thief like Ofori-Atta, a disease-ridden foreign criminal like Ofori-Atta, is needed back home. He should not come because the same Sedinam that you foolish idiots, drug addicts, disease of political termites, smoking and drinking and sniffing all over the place, under your watch, the same Sedinam, you did not take any action because you did not care. Oh, now you care about every single person who has duped Ghana. Abuwa. We need Ofori-Atta more than Sedinam. Yeah. We need Ofori-Atta. Because Ofori-Atta was holding the money box. And the person who was holding the money box is the person we need. The Barabbas. The John the Baptist. You are using Sedinam's matter. Na Sedinam, wana bresu ne chino. Ne ti kroma na achichide kwasi ampenyi no eka se, ya nchi Sedinam se, we di Ghana sika, ena no ti America. Na kwasi afo na mba America mefa jantina fo ni omonda. Kwasi afo na matoni general na 93940 no omba America ne jantina fo meda. Na oni bebi FBI for office wo e this year. Kwasi afo na munim se, attorney general and the OSP office na mwankasa mu bi na eni ho. Why didn't you insist that those actions were taken? Drug-ridden rascals, terrible human beings, filthy nicompoons. You sit on TV and you're talking trash to say, "What law change will be Ghana or join?" You say Ofori-Atta is recuperating from what surgery? What about damn? Now surgery you're trying to show up to Ofori-Atta. We saw him on the streets of DC with his albino wife walking up and down. The ICE department said he is fit like a hawk to stand trial. That one there is our opinion. Abuana Ofori-Atta no kwana surgery wiase. Ofori-Atta kwasi ampenyi no namona. Ni hu finsa no. Is he the only person that why surgery? Are you trying to show? And the super glue so ye. Ofori-Atta will either face the law and die here or die in Ghana. Oko or bow, he will face it. And then the arrogance. mo yetete mo no ye de wi ni cocaine yetete mu nti mummu ade mo wi ade kwa na ye pɛ mo ade ache mo no na mo sa de mo jimi abie mo to kankan kekan kwase asem. You are not speaking like a lawyer, you are speaking like a roadside drug addict, somebody living on the streets of DC, sleeping outside in the cold. You're not speaking like an intellectual. You are foolish. You are setting standards for who? Oh, so suddenly matter is what we have to think about. We should not think about the man who orchestrated the biggest crime in the history of Ghana. The same kind of Ofori-Atta Kwasiampenyi way, 1999, or the Obutan deal, ebe we are senate, abuofunu. Bobusha 455 mo no omo wunkentia na mo beni nanam ni peni se nwan. Yenya time amamo, ekuro bia nka hange mu nyina. Ekuro bia nka mo Kwasiafo nka hange mo. But ye na ye wakoma pa, ene se Kwasiafo mo megina edian court na muyi mu ano. Why na akasa Ofori-Atta is guilty? So onye wi ena wo busuani Ekufuado Kwasiampenyi no so nye wi a. Anka Ekufuado release this statement say Ofori-Atta brafie. Na Ekufuado ye Kwasiampenyi nti oye kromfo a enche obewu nti ote ho why se bosom abuofunu. Why na go back Ofori-Atta mbra? Why na ma Ofori-Atta adwuma? I didn't Ofori-Atta Ekufuado Kwasiampenyi weto. Why is he not speaking? Who brought Ofori-Atta to Ghana? Who gave him job to do? Who made him steal from us? Why when you totro who fins our pofi mokasa anyhow Kwasiafo because the crowd mu afu. Ye hu dem ye na Ghana. Mutumi package ajantra for no me see Jubilee House a Jimmy for drug addicts. And I'm go Ghana. Most sorry, the only thing you people know is to smoke and sniff. Ofori-Atta is not better than anybody. And Ofori-Atta will have to go through the process. Fake lawyers to someone amugu Ghana ho and mu protect criminals. A you who say we don't want Sedinam? We want Sedinam, but we need Ofori-Atta. We need Sedinam in Ghana. We still need Ofori-Atta. So the justification you are making, Ofori-Atta is recuperating. You can show any super glues oye. How many months no ye? Oh yes, sir, said you were here. Mabu bodam. You have taken the people for granted for a long time. Ekufuado Kwasiampenyi and show aguwe. Why is he not being a statesman enough to tell Ghanaians, I am the one who employed this fool. He needs to come to Ghana. Why is Ekufuado not doing that? Efue gamafoma. Muhu fin. Muhu Ghana fosi ye Jimmy. Mesi Cambodia na kamu kopi ya kabullet gumutrim. Na Ghana na funtra. Ghana na emu efu. Ena Kwasiampenyi bia to mikasa by heart. We need Sedinam, but we need Ofori-Atta more. And we are not done with you twerps. Disease-ridden drug peddlers, dirty, filthy nicompoons, human half-cooked humans. Motetuwana mukeka nkwasi asem. MPP for moi. Ofori-Atta betina Ghana ha. Osane kuta Bible. No sha white. Oyere kwa ne nima mwa se bis awi ne nim no. Ose still onjai money box ne to. Why we nimu fi kono no nkwasi ajo tena betina say ote recuperating. And I catch MPP Kwasiafo. Na mo de ada efidie ne be so mo hwa no. Ada efidie ne be so mo hwa no. Ho na bo se san Kwasi awi na monom na nya papa na monom.
Of the people of Agbogboloshi matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu. Yebesi toilets. In all, Yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all, among the people of Awuku. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari, enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari, enyasa. Ubejari, enti yebesi bath houses so akaho. Yebesi 24-unit bath houses and 80 in all. 24-unit bath houses. Said mubenya ebi mubeko na mujare anapa.
Yes, be away serious. Be away serious. Toilet hun sam no kan sa no. Wa chro toilet hun se megupi paso. Yani toilet hun asem no matena say boss ye ko campaign o inti ye ntro toilet ho nsem ngu pepa so ma na ko kenkan na hwesi bia wa ye serious obi gina be ka say akwa na kan yansasem Wa paper na eboso be 10 adan your money notes. He should go by the notes. He should not go off topic. Off topic ben e binin sem na okoka no mema ni nko off. Okoka bini won sem a kire nkofo se enu nti yentoma no enti eno so ye ho krata ama no ema okasa kakra no ahwe so 20 unit bathroom 20 unit toilet just say men come moro so no men come ani sip just say ginem e bini won sem na bema krachini beye campaign from Puntubra. I just say what I so asebi o ke bia bebo nipa tie hwe omam kuta mic hwe gidi obo akukuta mic na Sami Awuku esukuta apatam say ye ne actual script amount emrante e o omwagimi ena toilet won some actual group paper say stay on topic. Advice of the Bawumia say boss stay on topic, don't move, make sure you don't say things that we have not told you to say. So say the things that na okasano happy paso.
The lives of the people of Agbogboloshi matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu yebesi toilets in all yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all, ama the people of Awuku. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Enti yebesi.
Man krata. And I'm also chogus who drew her posse. Neka say, Uko toilet TV will be jarry and sa na ewo paper so. Sami Awuku na churo so oni gidi obo akum say ye ne ewo advices into drew her posse. Na kasa chiro mo say into omo kodware omo ne ans omo ni wiya so mo be dware. Say mo ni wiya mo be dware campaign o Bawumia ye medwudwam sabi bi ani ha se osemo ko toilet na wo ko toilet kan twe kan sen o ka kire mum gu fom se mo ne a mu bedware mo ne wi a na se what crop pack dem so ompo ni toilet paper o omo share ni paper me pa mo to because so omo paper mo to a e de na munya abotre ne nchecha se mo yes a I say I don't wo hwe video no mo no se ba o mi didi o matam one so obi ni a opepa ne to now so obi ani na on prepare to a na say oni nipa ne kasa na obeso chese nipa ne jimi na one ugina nipa dominim and the ma insult did say obusa mo in the form of a question say munia mu bedware that means say just say one kasa no munia mu nware just say who study akwane nsema o kan nsem ya just say total disrespect na say obuoma mu gu for mo Agbogboloshi for them go on say omunia mu nware because we say oh anka say onim de okam ka say man ni no say mo dware awie yenim say mo ne ntimu dware e de no busa in the form of question say wonni a say wo bedware na say ni tirimu no omonni omu dware muntie ensem no just say wunya abotetia na obu efu.
The lives of the people of Agbogboloshi matter as much as the lives Usorina uko toilet uya obedware enyasa of the people of Agbogboloshi matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or country.
The first statement na ye insult Agbogboloshi for. The lives of the people of Agbogboloshi matters. It is said the lives of people at East Legon and Cantonment. No person chere say just Agbogboloshi for the omuni omon pepa omoto. Into obesi bini dying amomo. Omuni we are no assess bath no makudare. Because if their life doesn't matter, what is making their life not to matter? It means East Legon trasako for no said cantonment no omu di omu ni on people moto. It is a comprehension here. Bawumia first statement kona insult to the people of Awuku because they never told you that they needed help when it comes to shitting. And near a bini dying. Into first statement kona insult so what's brofwa.
The lives of the people of Agbogboloshi matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu yebesi toilets in all yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all among the people of Awuku. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari.
Oh, the city kitu ebi sheho ezengofu ye Jimmy. Oh sorry, or bezo say what sorry no. Unim nyansa say uko toilet or so pepa woto ana udware. Because obi oko toilet udware bia na so wan pepa no to. Tie asante na akwa no, atenie na odi nipa no. Ene jiro ka say, "Oh sorry na uni wi obedware ente sa na osere wo fifi na o ka bibia kire omo mwagimi odi agbogboloshifo atem." Because on a normal day, obi na adwene ye adwuma bia no Onia, obepa no to ani so kodware. Sebio manisi sumina so. Ye nuanum nkrebofo no, sebio mo koya asori na makokoro omo ho. Omo de it is part of their religion. Wo ye nkremoni a wote saade na se. Intede na obegina kamfo ani begina Ghanafo anim e ka kire omo se, onia se wo bedware. And osre shem finfi wo. Sa sere no, and e for cosmetic imaginary mental distress no. Sa sere kitu bi na hye no, na ene na ya atanie no. Tie sere no, ene na man hu se odi o matem.
The lives of the people Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari enti Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari enti Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari enti
uko toilet, uya ubejari enyasa. A question. Obeso che say rational people bia omko toilet ompepa omoto enya de omedware. But so okay say ubedware enyasa. Or Charles said the answer is there. Why didn't you do that? Into obeso che say uko toilet wia say opepa oto dia eni so udware. But so okay say ubedware entesa meaning uko toilet ompepa oto. Akwane didi obi atem in his campaign. What did you be at him? Just say, why don't we say, ya tron your way go paper so no gina stage in or did part him? Imagine that John Mahamana cast same way, Professor Nano Pukwajman cast same way, and Kebetana Krumha. This same person. You get it? Me say, ye jinema for the next 41 years. You see, you 1 year we. So, person ye de me ye bi, and now we de me ye bi. Your wife say, who jim for 42 years. Many of you say, 2 months, Dabi. Why so obey the me yedibi? Obeso the MPP back to power. Also, with the when we near ding, when our Ghana, when our he, you need to understand. Moi, most of me TikTok students now. Muko school or TikTok, so they be a Muko school now, but TikTok, no. Most no, please. Or someone tell us 42 years, the years I did we, and yes, 6 months. Into TikTok students, no. Because serious students behind the entire home or TikTok. 80 TikTok students so I'm also motivated to TikTok na muni school papa bia kwada mo dada ankoforo mo make sure say 42 years mo so mo ye adwuma we bia 42 years he yes e be ja obi ye nja obi a ye bebo mo tuja ma mo nyina mo bewu mo wu ani ejai. All right, thank you very much for being here tonight. Now before I start show na any refi abrante we your friend Sir Obama the di ankasa de Daniel Adomako or your kromfo. This young man, at a point, okra ewudi enyoma so obekuni power Ghana, bombs, bazooka, pistols, grenade, nyoma yedidi ewu. His name is Daniel Adomako. A man for friend Sir Obama or your kromfo. He's a criminal. He's under investigation. In fact, the government of Ghana and any Jina court this year, any day he can be jailed. His name is Daniel Adomako, a hardened criminal who basically is on social media flaunting weapons, illegal weapons, criminal acts. So right now, as I speak, I'm buying any no AD. The ding edit Daniel Adomako, ena otete edin bi a ye friend no se Obama pokuase no onie mame enlarge ne nimpa na hu ne ye nti hu na or a dangerous human being, a very dangerous human being. He can kill. The dean at the Daniel Adomako, aka Sir Obama Pokwase, that is him. If you see him in your neighborhood, take cover. Protect yourself. If you see him at night, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12, protect yourself. Make sure your security is intact. This is a very dangerous human being. He's in Ghana. He lives in Ghana. He tells people he's a lab technician. He is a liar and a criminal. His name is Daniel Adomako. He is somebody who sells illegal weapons in Ghana. He sells these weapons to criminals, armed robbers. This is a guy the government today is handling in court. We should not see these people as rightful thinking people. These are dangerous predators. His name is Daniel Adomako. On his Ghana card, the name on it is Daniel Adomako. People call him Sir Obama Pokwase. Don't forget this criminal. Now, there's another criminal in Ghana, and these are all criminals who are supporting Mahamudu Bawumia, because when they get into trouble, when they commit crimes, it's Bawumia who basically takes care of their bills when they have to be taken out of jail and all that. Bawumia basically contracts Akusia Menu to be doing that job for him. This boy, his real name is Prince Ofori. On his Ghana card, the name on his Ghana card is Prince Ofori. Prince Ofori, a.k.a. Fanti Comedy. That is his nickname, Fanti Comedy. This guy is another hardened criminal, or your cromfo. If you have seen this boy anywhere, in your shop, in your church, anywhere, be very, very careful. Protect yourself. This is a young man who decided to come together with a group of criminals like himself. They planned to kill the president and his wife. The president of the Republic of Ghana and his wife. In fact, this guy on social media was bold enough to say that he wanted to take off the head of the president's wife. So if you see this young man, his name is Prince Ofori. They call him Fanti Comedy, a hardened criminal, a very dangerous young man. A very dangerous young man. Do not underestimate this man. Baby, protect yourself. 1, 2, 3. Uwo tu afabo ho ban. Uwo sekan afabo ho ban, because oyewudini, omuyewudifua. They plan, they kill, they murder people. At least we've heard them discuss that on social media. There are videos there where only a group of people were planning and plotting to kill politicians in Ghana. If you are a foreigner in Ghana and you come across this gentleman, his social media handle, wherever you meet him, be careful about such an individual. He is a murderer, a potential murderer. He's in court now defending himself. His name is Prince Ofori, a.k.a. Fanti Comedy. This is the accomplice. Her name is Yaira Abel. Let me enlarge the picture. Very, very important. Yeah, this lady is also another hardened criminal, a very dangerous criminal. She is part of the Fanti Comedy squad who were plotting and planning to murder the president and his wife. This young lady is a disease of a woman who plots the murder of another woman. Her name is Yaira Abeu. She was arrested by the Ghana police. She's facing the court. She's facing the law. If you meet this woman anywhere, be sure. In fact, the only advice I can give you is to protect yourself. They kill. They murder people and smile about it on social media. At least from what we know, the Ghana government, through the Ghana Police Service, they arrested these people, including this woman. She is standing trial. She is a very dangerous human being. This lady can murder you if you're a man. So you have to be very careful going close to such a woman. Her name is Yaira Abel, a very dangerous, diabolic human being walking on the streets of Ghana. Be very careful about such people. After this short break, we will take care of business.
Me tetafo na me buy me baton fish. Ewo asafo market. Yeah, me buy one wo hwe me. There be no Pamisodi or him Timame. A Riani and Mammy a mercenary at Sabumi. If he said, do me say by me ban fish, I could be a sunny aqua to a gupa. It's in a ban when yes, come, I'm the Didi. A friend of Papa by him, need you. And one is but over those away. And I'm very hard my to be dear. Me ban yes, come, I'm was auntie. Said the man on your doom say. Abroad, Minaya, I ain't if you do so. Me tears me there, make some more. The moon answer me that from bidding. Mamma, Adai. At the end, I am my wabber, want to mamma, want to Samia. Mamma, you know, money say. To me, tell me where demonstration of Macon come some to watch them, mamma. No, whom my walk. Let them say when you're not bad to me, turn fishy. When you see come matter, the unheady. And my baby, never say, and this if one as say. And people for say. Then to mamma and people for Nathaniel crying in I am people. They were back and uncle for the idea crying in I am people. Me bati yasi baby a tobo and gomodi and mako bu gweni pakura mubugi wadi wa boa. What one and die will be a go on your demonstration. Bibi a must MP before na and yasani ya woni pa obo woni pa che mudia. And ya famous sorry. The mama want to me away in your bon and no as a man am kaya so me boa. No nyama do bet me better na no one na me why mobo.
Ekuya Echa or your communications director ma NPP or Santasi or Kumasi. This was when Mahama Part 1 2016 na omoye a year demonstration ya share da man addresses say abrewa onim bibia na nsem okanyan say Mahama nti ne namebu Mahama nti de ba edwumegu de ba cold store yedum mo kan ya bosumi nsia enso no kuta sobolo ice wom ekuye chankasa ne refi no ho say sobolo na ekuta na ice wom enti ebebu se ekuye chansa na ne sobolo no fridge be mu no ko share ya sa time no dum so agine mu an fridge no tumi ema ne sobolo no ye din sa but communications director ema MPP Ashanti Region Santase branch the refi no ho na okasa mu na okasa oh send this for nipa chen ya no so omo nipa chen wo mu a na se na no so afom wo ho de ema ye to no so abatia ne nyina ne sa two mistakes no ye no na oka dum so ho asem so na sobolo kutara ice dem ena Osaka say ye woni pa che omo abranko ka say omo woni pa sa nyama mieni ne man lose elections no enti ekuecha or your full communication expert me hu no so ya abrewa me hu ni sesebio onim de ekọ wa download ena odwudwam or start free Kumasi Santase dum so ekopim efa odiko ra Sodom and Gomorrah e de call ya kokodu e de evacuation e de ba Mahama economy dum so onim de okeka Sanyo mani nyina onim oye communications director wa Santase inti sa wotie nipa anya abotre na enye nipa bia na ka asama sebio eye no kure osi yedum kanea so na sobolo ice ginem dangerous ekuecha eno ena mani lose sa elections no ewo eye Santase. All right, now me eye sa Asamoah and I think say for the first time eye man we wakanya nsasem baako ye frɛ no eye Kojopoku osi journalists in Ghana no longer read, and it's a problem. For a very long time, this is the only time I call we are majority in some Okanyans. One day, we say or your MPP presidential aspirant. The next day, or say or your energy expert. You can't a chameleon in our politics. This is a male chameleon. He is one person. He takes advantage of the ignorant NPP followers. He came into the party with this title saying and telling them say he's an energy expert. So automatically, a Jimmy for more party now one king kind of slowly and oba and also flag bearer. Flag bearer back to energy expert. So what he's doing now is that they sit on TV and make Ghanaians think say they are energy neutrals and that they are speaking on energy as specialists or as analysts. From 2014, 15, 16, these were the chameleons they were using on our TVs and radios. Some energy experts, they were not affiliated to any political party. These were the people who were behind the Doomsaw demonstration. These were the people who created the impression said John Muhammad did Doomsaw baye. These are the same kind of chameleons. TV so experts, not knowing they use such people to destroy a government. And this is a typical political comedian, political chameleon, a disease of a political insect. Sedebiami uses our words that these are the people I always refer to. Your friend Kojo Poku, a very, very diabolic young man who is ambitious in a negative way, trying to use his intelligence on the NPP and thinking he can apply that on us as a people. It is since the Sami or politics, this is the first time Matisa Waka Nyansa Sembako. Now, Asamoah Oka, or see from the Awuku. Eye omwa omukasama MPP journalist for more Ghana dodoa omuya kamfo a omutiti radio so TV so ekasa efa politics ho ene Ghana abakwasam ne enchirechire mu no ose de wahu ne se eye saa journalist no dodoa no omonkenkan omutie wu na sabio eno na ama Ghana yabedu bebe yedui na obi beka se Asamoah Oka no eye no kra na se nya no kra. In fact, upon the Jimmy Ninano, this is one of the statements I will make here. I can tell you for a fact to say it is true. The reason why, or the only way, and I say, the Tumima Ekufuado, Enya Kwine, Ebedi president, Ghana, because 90% of the journalists in Ghana, especially the Akan media journalists, they cannot read. And or they no longer read in the Krampode. It's one thing. They were not reading in the first place. When you say journalists in Ghana no longer reader, you are making it look like they used to read. They didn't read from the beginning. They've never read anything. From the beginning, people like Okubako, Egbert Fable, Kwame Sefakai, Paul Adomochri, people thought to say those people were intelligent and they read wide. No. The issue was that they had opportunity to have the airspace. I say, in the end, so we take Kwame Sefakai, utie Paul Adomochri, utie eye de Okubako, utie eye Omomakana. You ask yourself, say, why did we even give these people too much room to decide for us when it came to public discourse, when it came to governance, when it came to speaking on issues a bit to me as a brabo as a nation? So this statement, it cuts deep. It cuts deep because right now, who say MPP for now who say the kind of journalism that helped Kufuor to come to power, the kind of journalism that helped Kufuor to come to power, that kind of journalism can never bring the NPP back to power. And it's a fact. Actually, you don't want to be honest. Actually, the kind of journalism Kufuor about power, the kind of journalism Kufuor about power, that kind of journalism can never bring Bawumia to power. And it can never bring the NPP to power ever again. And they are beginning to see it. And I'm saying, what's here? The NPP, they are screaming. They have issues with the media. They think the media is not working for them. The media is not helping them. Because the media they used to know, it's a media which was full of sensationalism. A media that was cooking propaganda. A media that was working along tribal lines. A media that was bringing in sentiment and not facts. And not reading to understand. A media that was not willing and ready to research. And we still have such media personalities among us in Ghana. Oko OKFM amuguo se mponchi. Oko eye PCFM amuguo se nwan. Oko eye sa omu radio Lawson ne sa nyoman Kesbin. All these radio stations, you see a lot of these kind of journalists there. Young people today are struggling with the media because they expect the media to be doing what they used to do or what they did to bring Kufuor to power. What brought Kufuor to power was a journalism, not yedidia touch tribalism. A journalism, na I just say we were going to victimize people, and victimization in journalism is dangerous. How people tagged some group of people, tagged some regimes. So J.J. Rawlings was a center of communication when it came to the journalism during Kufuor's era. Journalism of sensationalism. Hey, what's it? That was the kind of journalism that brought the NPP to power in 2000. Now, we all need to understand, say, that kind of journalism, they are still practicing that kind of journalism in Ghana still. But they are not making headlines. They cannot go through the cracks and be effective because the new Ghanaian, Sa Ghana nina and the Oti Ghana na, Oti Abrucha na se Oti Ghana no, na dream be to the point where you cannot bring J.J. Rawlings matter to come and discuss and the issues on tie. Sa Ghana nina and Otiano, they don't care about what one and a year in 1954. Also be yetiao, they don't care because one, Rollins Grawu, two, Kwame Nkrumah Wu. When you bring those things into our politics, the young Ghanaian will see you as a fool, like you still don't understand their problems or their plights. That is the reason why the NPP as a political party, right now they have an issue with the media. They think the media is against them. The media is not against them because I share a media network. They say "Wun to me TV." Now share omo mugusuno. Now share omo level of intelligence. Omo to me reading kratantia sienchi chilebun kano krena. Somebody now your MPP na say what do I come on the DMPP here? Obagin say Ghana for a time MPP, and I said the media is against NPP. No, the media is not against the NPP. It is just that the NPP, the kind of media work you people want to see, it is not alive again today. So the kind of media now MPP, omope to enjoy, to make things easy for them. It is not alive today. It is dead. So this statement, as a journalist in Ghana no longer read, it's a problem. No, it is not journalists in Ghana today. It is journalists in Ghana from the past who never read and use tribalism, sensationalism, victimization to malign people, to make end people carve a niche, carve a way, create an opportunity for the end people to take advantage, to come to power. No, that route has been blocked. And then as our route now blockade, it is because people now have access to information. People now can now question Kevin Taylor. They can now question your favorite journalist. They can now question your favorite radio station. They can now go and research. He cannot just come and stupidly exhibit the highest form of foolishness and everybody will soak it. It does not work like that. Anka titena obi de Kwame Nkrumah tikesie ene kwasiampe nenim tuntumbi time almost static can say anka these people will be hyped. But you see today when you listen to such people, ultimately sound say, how did they get on the radio? How did they get there? Why na edi omuko see ho? You can clearly see say these are people who cannot read, understand, and break it down for people to know say we neko and say we neko. It is not about journalists in Ghana not reading any longer. It is journalism now here practices is it has changed. The dead journalism style now you did my MPP but power no. It is dead. By 6 a.m. every single statement you be making on radio Subiano, 80% of Ghanaians already know. By 6 a.m. Ghana time. Every statement I'm about to radio so say 6 o'clock news, 6 o'clock sports, 6:45 Gyan. 90% of Ghana for almost 5:30 no, they all know the news before you come to sit on the radio. Remember what I was say, you are monopolizing a story. You have control. You have power on the people's wisdom. No. Answer na Kwame Sefa kan betra kokrokosu no. Na 90% of Ghanaians know what has happened before Kwame Sefa kan coming on air. It does not matter the maneuvering. It does not matter the posture of Kwame Sefa kan any ni group no more a studio hono. It does not matter Paul Ademotre, his comedy, his sarcastic way of trying to lie about people, and people know they can read between the lines. The jandam does not work again. You can now not come on radio and pretend, come on TV and pretend to make it sound like you are intelligent than Nipana or show. No. The people, before they turn or they tune in to watch you, they already have made up a decision. Now they need you to prove to them, say, sa decision the omatino any conclusion, one all respect your intelligence. So if anybody is watching you, they are not watching you because you are going to convince them. No. They are watching you. They want to know whether you respect their intelligence. It is when people tune in into radios, and this night, when people are tuning into a TV station or on my show, 90% of people are 90% of people are more knowledge than me when it comes to politics. The reason why some of them decide to watch me every day is because they want to know, say, Adina Mebekano, Oma Junina, any Nyansana or Mwankasa, Edia Shadiano. May respect your intelligence and answer me doing so much, Jimmy. That is why they come here. So every single day, almost I'm respecting intelligence by breaking the issues down standardly for them to know, say, aha, Where is making sense? That's why they come here every day. So Oba na ofili say uhuni say with Jimmy, he's not going to come back to watch you again. And these are things we all need to learn. Journalism, journalism it's in the palm of people. There's nothing like senior journalist in Ghana again. I'm a senior journalist. A young man, 16-year-old young man, 17-year-old young man, or what a senior high school tonight, only more things than me. All because so I already saw about research it. He will know more things than I as a city and make a can know. Yeah. We should not underestimate. In China still MPP for yet this kind of petty politics. And they said yeah, miracle abuajimo beye and say no. Now miracle abuaji emobeye and say no. Now omakofa anko phobia betina stage so me a teacher ni me school no na obi say me ton force. Sign your money, it does not work again. It is Ghana for extra Saturday to say the Moshe Kiso concert party. They see like comedy. They see they say because you are trying to underestimate their intelligence. So that kind of politics oh for my better now. No case not to ande okejetia. She said the endija na 6 months no ma egu for the test no na edija enye dwuma biem. Those things don't work. Because you see, when you get on the street, there are people who are actually seeing the real thing happening in Ghana. They are not kidding. It's not like obina also almost actually almost say asimesi uko school one ko school asem way there. I wanted to show you a video and I Mr. And now no and you say bia we go school and now you don't have to be educated. You don't have to have a PhD to be able to differentiate between Abaya and Kanokre, any Abaya Kanokre. You live in Ghana. They can tell you, say, they bought something last week. They are going to buy something today. So they know the difference between Adianebo Ding and Adianebo Fu. Besides, thank you, I've seen it. Thank you, sir. Yes. So it's not you bringing a woman on stage to tell me, say, force born and talk. No. So yes, Sana, Ghana neighbor who say, Ubunisa with Jimmy. Because they go out every day. It is not you putting somebody on stage on something to tell them, say, Mami we say, into problem. No. Ebia mame na bodam. Ebia mame kwa kofa no ebia won pena no. Ebia won nada. Ebia sebio we repino. And our catch say ombe you we na man kakra. So you need to get to that understanding. Say politics nasasa. MPP4 still you don't understand what is going on. I am trying to show you something. Ghana for na muwo muso mo jimi no. Ghana for no. They be a makacha mu MPP4 moving through that kind of politics, you know. First now you doom so and I'm with about $1. See, I'm moja doom so some can. See, I'm moja $1 some can. See, a dear some and I'm the boss. The party still doesn't have focus because the people are getting sophisticated. You cannot just come and lie and they'll be like, the MPP and yet so it's about time you people change the style of your communication. Moon changing my style, no. Now, Jimino Erdoson, this is a typical Ghanaian MPP. You cannot convince this person. Only can say with Jimmy.
Yeah, can I move the agro? And that's by the same thing. 2.7, if you 2, remote near. So, bro, Bato, and I could want not wait. 320 cities. 320 cities. Me a full MPP. Me a full MPP. Ya come with the idea grow. Ya put on man say muya fukeko. No be a ban or born homo dia. What's the Yankasa day? Yanka day. Tell me butu. If you take a profit a million or so. Take a profit a million or so. Mama, Obojuate, Mudiagro. And that's by the same thing. 2.7 if you 2 remote near. Bro, Bato, and I could want not wait. 320 cities. 320 cities. Me a full MPP. me a full MPP. You can't say the agro. You put on man say mu ya fukeke. No be a ban or born home dia. What's the yanka day? Yanka day. Tell me butu. If you check a profit a million or so. Check a profit a million or so. Mama, oh boy, you are saying.
Mas yampe bi air forum one crying or just a ranty way Jimmy. Into the Jimmy for better stage so. Monkasa mo chiremo. Monkasa Dabio, it does not work like that. A branty way, oh as mo busa attendant or say a coup for the time na me buni saying. Or so now buni 320 or see and there sa 320 me di butu me serviska or person mine koso. At that point, you know, he does not care. All that he needs is that the government should do the ope emano. That is all. Sarah Brandt, you know, there were thousands of Nipa to say they are out there. Ultimately, for Kwasi Metna forum, so everyone can say, Mammy be now who you soon now, and so be a good one because me ton false sentimental here, and that be so we are that kind of politics. Ghana for those away Jimmy because Ghana for Jimmy be. The people understand what is happening. It work of finance so ben for bia be TV so say ye be forum. Inti monkasa na Ghana nto aba Bawumia. Inti enu nti nto aba Bawumia. Na nso ben oba na nso ben egu no. Ono ade ni sika kotopo kre na de dwuma asɛ no. Ono ne nkwasi akeka nti ye ngya ne nkoto aba Bawumia. Na Bawumia me den. Because abrantie no gas no koto ne ate so. Inti Bawumia oba be den. Bawumia ba obey den because doom so ni ho. Bawumia ba obey den dollar number 10. Bawumia mbra no obey den. Enti anto aba mamona mo obey den. Eka muja to wo eswati ECG legacy debt da ho yate so. Ye ka eye interest rate and the above form. Ye ka eye the inflation enti esia no enti mo ye forum na mo idea na we nyina ne se yenye mo ye forum na ye den. Bia ye du no bo be se mo ba na mo obey den mo sale nyoma be kosoro. Because until you tell us to say the air cost and that inflation now about single digit no oba mana pepa because zero catch monka sanchre oba between the inflation akọ 0.00 oba between the dollar akọ 1 oba to me the inflation over to me the interest rate about 0.00 oba eka obeja to no we are sure say eka no umbobi you people muni idea bia about what you are doing. You are just foolish. And you see, the problem is that say a political party consistently defending against something, then you know, say that political party, no, the Nkofo can
the MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers,